Hello, today, we are diving deep into the universe of creatine. Ready to power up? Creatine, a natural substance turned super supplement, is often hailed as a bodybuilder's best friend. But what exactly is it? Creatine is a substance that's found naturally in our bodies, mostly in muscles but also in the brain. It's also found in foods like red meat and seafood. Creatine helps your muscles produce energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. This can lead to improved muscle strength and size, enhanced recovery, and more. But remember, it's a supplement, not a substitute. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key. And while creatine is generally safe, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Hydration is also crucial when taking creatine. It can draw water into your muscle cells, so drinking enough water is important to prevent dehydration. There are many types of creatine available, but creatine monohydrate is the most researched and generally recommended. Consistency is key with creatine. It doesn't matter what time you take it, but taking it at the same time every day can help keep levels consistent in your body. Before starting any supplement, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance based on your individual health needs and fitness goals. So there you have it, Nebula Nation. The universe of creatine, demystified. Remember, your fitness journey is unique. Stay tuned to Nutri Nebula for more fitness and nutrition tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.